Michelle is planning a 5-day vacation to the Bahamas. No stress, no noise. Just her partner, and the ocean. But this isn't just another booking. Behind the scenes, a connected intelligence engine is already at work. It remembers Michelle's love for ocean view rooms in Turks and Caicos. It pulls that pattern forward, surfacing 3 perfect resorts in Nassau with the same relaxed vibe. Her airline preferences? Morning flights, aisle seats, miles to spare, all matched in real time, with an option to upgrade. Then comes the package: spa treatments, snorkeling, the exact kind of experiences she books every time. Pre-bundled, pre-personalized, 25% savings, instantly relevant. Her card is preloaded, her loyalty perks activated. Room upgrade? Confirmed. Late checkout? Locked in. Days before the trip, she's prompted. Reef-safe sunscreen, light jacket for breezy evenings. Even a heads up on that local spot for conch fritters, based on her dining history. Every step is guided. At the airport, a fast-track option appears. Her lounge visit? Covered by her card. Once in Nassau, her room is ready, minibar stocked with her favorite sparkling water. The weather? Perfect for snorkeling. A curated tour, time slot, and fellow enthusiasts. All teed up for the next morning. And when a storm threatens her beach day, the system adjusts. Spa appointment moved seamlessly. The intelligence engine knows. It connects data across platforms, partners, and touchpoints to create a journey that feels effortless and entirely hers. And by the time she's back, a personalized keepsake, a future trip suggestion, a loyalty tier unlocked. This is customer-connected intelligence in motion. Every interaction remembered, every preference honored, every moment optimized, for value that compounds.